Welcome back friends, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. In this video you are going to practice adverbs. There are 5 types of adverbs. First, adverbs of time. Second, adverbs of manner. Third, adverbs of degree. Fourth, adverbs of place. And fifth, adverbs of frequency. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. The adverb expresses the time, manner, degree, place, and frequency. Adverbs of time provide information about the time the verb takes place. Words come now, yesterday, tomorrow, later, yet, just, already, today, last month, last year, soon. Example, I started school yesterday. Next month I will buy a house. Next, adverbs of manner provide information about how a verb is done. Words come beautifully, happily, peacefully, slowly, quietly, easily, cheerfully, loudly, secretly. Example, he spoke loudly. They played happily. Next, adverbs of degree describe the level or intensity of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Words come under adverbs of degree: quite, almost, barely, very, completely, just, absolutely, fully, hardly. Example, I have almost finished my homework. I completely agree with you. Next, adverbs of place tell us where the verb is taking place. Words come under adverbs of place: away, outside, in front, inside, over, under, here, there, upstairs, towards. Example, the cat was playing outside. She was hiding behind the sofa. Next, adverbs of frequency tell us how often something occurs. Words come under adverbs of frequency: always, usually, normally, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. Example, she regularly visits the park. I occasionally eat pizza. There are 2 types of adverbs of frequency: definite and indefinite. So please watch my other video for this. Thanks friends for watching this video. See you. Bye.